After completing your online registration, access the My Account portal and from the homepage, click Upload Documents to upload your verification documents. Upload a clear color copy of your passport, national ID, or driver's license, front and back. The document must be valid and non-expired. Proof of address. The residential address must match the address provided during online registration. Submit a valid document in your name, showing your residential address, for example, a PDF bank statement or utility bill issued within the past 6 months. We may reach out with additional requirements. After you submit your documents, we'll email you with updates on your application status. Please check your inbox and your spam folder for messages from global.newaccounts@forex.com. That's it. Opening a live trading account with Forex.com is fast and secure. If you need help at any stage, our sales and live chat support team are available on WhatsApp to assist at any time.